using your oil lamp, you may purchase your lamps in this form without the burners on them. The original burners on these are very scarce, and sometimes they'll be on there, but they elevate the price immensely. This, with the original burner, the two-prong pewter burner that fits on here with the center wicks, would cost you, those little burners alone can go from $75 to $125 just for the burner. So if you can't afford to buy one of those to put on here, the original lamp, and you want to use it, you can just add a number one burner, either old or new, very inexpensive, and attach it to the collar. And then you're good to go. All you need to do is add fluid. And if you buy a very good lamp oil fluid, some people like it in colored and scented, which they make today. This is, I think this is a pine scented, and this one is cinnamon scented, and you can also buy them in clear. And the ultra refined oils are, I find, the best. They burn with less smoke, so I would recommend getting a good fuel oil to burn. Pour it into the font before you put the burner on, and soak up into the wick. And the wick is adjusted on the right side by adjusting this little knob. We'll raise and lower it. The more you raise it, the higher the flame you're going to get out of it. And then to finish off your lamp, you're going to put a chimney. And we try to make the chimneys in proportion with the lamps. And here are two really good examples of the right proportion of a chimney on your whale oil lamp. And then you're good to go.